everyone, today is another day of cooking and we are going to cook something really fun because I've never done this before. We have like 2 more weeks of quarantine until who knows when, but today we are going to do mini cooking with my sisters, my little sister here.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Kaylee.
Her name's Kaylee. Mini cooking today because we haven't never done this before, and I'm kind of excited because I want to see if we can actually do it. So we're gonna be cooking, actually baking today using this super awesome baking kit that my friend gave me. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that today, and we're gonna make cookies, we're gonna make cakes today, and we're also gonna be cooking it in this mini oven stovetop that I made. I made this stovetop by myself using like aluminum tape, and then there's that on here, and then when you open inside you can see there's 2 layers in here. We're gonna use a candle to actually cook it, so it's gonna be quite interesting. Oh man, the door came off. Anyway, so we're gonna use that today. We're just having a little fun today just because we're staying home doing nothing. But anyways, I'm gonna be doing most of the prepping and the mixing, and then she's gonna be cooking stuff in the oven. Anyways, we're just gonna have fun today. Everything's not gonna be exact. I'm gonna follow some of the recipes in this book that came along with a tiny kit, and we'll see how it goes and see if our actual oven that I made actually works. So let's go. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna make is the matcha cake. So in this recipe book here, it has a double-decker chocolate cake, and I'm going to use this recipe but kind of tweak out the cocoa powder with matcha powder. So I'm going to do that and follow their directions. It's kind of nice because this toolkit has like all of these tools to use, and like spoons, and came with like set of baking sheets and mixing bowl and like mini mittens. It's kind of funny. And that's pretty much it. Baking tools here too, and then that's about it. So we're gonna start mixing stuff, and then we can start baking. So itty bitty ingredients. You can name me the ingredients and I'll add it in there, Kaylee. Okay, what do I need to add first? We need to do the wet ingredients first because we always want to start that. So I have a bowl here. Okay, wet ingredients. Butter. How much butter?
2.5 teaspoons very soft butter.
3 spoons or these spoons?
Oh my
teaspoon.
gosh. 3 spoons.
Okay, how much?
2.5.
Oh my gosh. 2?
Yeah, 1.5.
Okay. 1.5. 1.5 of that. Okay. Okay, we're gonna mix this now with all the creamy method. So now we are going to add cocoa powder and the dry ingredients. Oh, let's add some milk first. It tells you to add 5 teaspoons of, oh, that's not milk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's good. I was scared I miscalculated. Okay, Kaylee, you can add in the flour. Okay, so the flour's in. I'm gonna go ahead and add in a little bit of salt. So it calls for 1/8 teaspoon of salt. A little bit of salt. And I'm gonna add in matcha powder. So it calls for 3 teaspoons of matcha powder. 1, 2. Ugh. 3. Okay. That's good. Now we are going to add in a little bit of baking soda. Okay, you can actually lit up the oven and preheat it. Let me if it moves. So 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. No, baking soda actually. And I got the milk in. I think that's it. It calls for some syrup, chocolate syrup, but I'm gonna add in milk. Maybe some heavy cream. I'm gonna add a little bit of heavy cream. Ooh. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and mix this.
Where's the lighter?
Oh my god, this is like making a mess. That actually looks pretty good. Nice and smooth. Nice. Look at this.
It's not working. So I already preheated the oven by lighting up the candle and putting it under the oven.
Go ahead and close it too, y'all.
And we should close that until the batter is ready.
Okay, so now I finished mixing that. I want to use this cake mold, silicone mold here, and put the batter in, and then we can start cooking it. And I'm gonna scoop this on there. It's actually a lot of batter, y'all.
Yeah.
Little cupcakes. Mini cupcakes. Okay, and then they say to use the knife. Look at this mini knife, isn't it cute? And we're gonna offset it. Like that. Okay, go ahead. Kaylee, you can go ahead and place that on top now. Place it on top. And then
And we're gonna cover it. Perfect. How long?
I don't know. We're gonna cook it until it's cooked. I don't really know. We're covering this with the actual container that the equipment came with. But in the meantime, Kaylee's gonna make some
cookies.
whipped cream actually.
What?
You're gonna make whipped cream to put inside the cake.
Oh.
And then I'm gonna make the drawing for Kiki's, like the actual chocolate work of Kiki, so that we can put on top. All right, let's go ahead and you're gonna make some whipped cream.
I can't wait.
It's only gonna take like an hour to cook this day.
Nuh-uh. Less than that.
Okay, leave it. Let's put this
To this
over
side.
here.
Okay, so Cindy made the cake, so now I'm gonna make the whipped cream. I'm gonna use half of this cup. That's about it, right? And then a teaspoon of sugar. And then we're gonna stir it.
And melted some chocolate. I'm going to melt chocolate so I can pipe the Kiki chocolate. Pipe the drawing and the letterings.
Do we have to wait till it's creamy?
Yeah, you gotta whip it till it's creamy.
You made me do the hard one.
I didn't. Making mini cornets. Look at these. These are so small.
Oh my god. It's gonna be so annoying.
Sorry, I'm already annoyed.
If only they had like a mini hand mixture.
Well, the thing is, my fingers are too fat. I don't know how people do this because my finger and my hands are just really big. So when I make this, I get really claustrophobic. Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Spillage. Ooh, getting hand cramps now. Let's check on the cake.
Ooh, it's rising.
Ooh. Let me rotate it so it gets even cooking. It's not burning, right? I don't think so.
It's gonna take so long.
Should we put it in a glass and just shake it?
Okay, I'm gonna pour the whipped cream mix into the cup so it'll be easier to shake it.
You can hate candy milk.
It'll be easier to mix it and make it the consistency. This top one is no.
Yes. Okay, I want to draw a pipe kiki thing on there. Oh my god. Okay. I did it!
Let me see. Wow.
Look. I'll show you guys. Yeah. Okay, now I gotta do the Christmas tree, but let's check the cake. Whoa, it's puffing. How's the heavy cream coming along, Kaylee?
It's actually almost getting there.
Really?
Look at that.
Let me see.
The king.
Oh snap!
Come on.
More, shake it.
Come on.
All right. Chocolate work is done. Now we wait for the cake to cool and cook, and Kaylee's whipped cream, and then you can make ganache, Kaylee.
What's that?
Ganache.
Whoa, City.
It works.
Is that okay?
Maybe a little thicker.
Ah.
Continue. You can use your spoon.
Okay.
Ooh. Nice job, Kaylee. You got whipped cream, Kaylee?
Yeah, finally.
Let me see. Nice. Yeah. Okay, let's set
Not-
that aside.
Not
Woohoo! Okay, I think the cake is ready. Nice and puffed. And it's like releasing from its actual pan. It's burned. I think it's gonna work. Anyways, we're gonna release it and cool it down in this mini rack. Release it. Oh yeah, it's burned. Realize that I cannot cook it on top of the candle. Duh! Don't burn. Okay, look at these mini cakes we made. We're gonna let it cool before we frost it. Anyways, there's that. After it's cool, we're gonna put the whipped cream and we're gonna make ganache. So we can actually make ganache right now.
chocolate ganache.
Okay, I turn off the oven. I don't need that anymore. Let the candle wax cool. Set that aside. We're going to decorate the cake. So, I'll move this onto a wire rack here. Right there. I'm going to trim this with my pizza cutter. It came with a nice, cool pizza cutter here. Trim this. There's the cake. You guys want to see? Okay, Kaylee, you can do the honors of putting whipped cream on the cake. I'll mix this.
But I need the spoon. Okay, I'm gonna put the whipped cream in the cake. Scoop that out. Wait, are you adding any more whipped cream?
Ganache is done.
Are you-
No, I don't need any more. Okay, second layer on top. Woohoo! And I'm gonna put ganache over it. The ganache that Kaylee made. Look at this. The ganache. Okay, I'm gonna pour this over the cake. supposed to be covering the whole cake. Cake is nice and settling, you guys can see it. I'm going to transfer this somewhere else onto the cutting board. Right here. Yeah. Now we're gonna put Kiki thing on, Kaylee.
Yeah.
Kiki. Okay, welcome back, and we finally finished our mini cooking. It was stressful.
It was not satisfying whatsoever.
I don't think I would ever do it again. My fingers are too big. Look at that.
I get cramps.
Anyways, we'll show you guys what we made. Oh, we made a mini Kiki cake.
Kiki cake. And then some Totoro cookies.
Shortbread cookies.
If you could tell. Let's see.
Okay, we're gonna cut the cake and we're gonna try it. We ready to cut it, Kaylee?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna try it. Kaylee's trying it first.
Okay.
Do it. How's it taste? Bitter?
No, it's actually good. It's like minty.
Minty?
The chocolate is
Mint.
kind of a little bit minty.
Whoa.
Isn't it good?
Why does it taste minty?
I think because the chocolate was in the mint chocolate drawer. That's why. But it's good.
It actually is pretty good.
Want more?
Sorry, we used like leftover chocolate, like Hershey's chocolate kisses that were in with some Thin Mints, and we melted the Hershey's chocolate, and it tastes like Thin Mints basically now. It's minty. And it's actually quite pleasant. Cookies. Buttery. Anyways, how was your experience, Kaylee? Did you enjoy mini cooking or mini baking? Honestly.
A bit.
These are really fun to make because they're very like detailed that you don't ever think of making, but it is what it is. We tried it. We're that bored. See you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy that video and enjoy our fail mini cooking. And until next time, which is never for mini cooking, we will see you. Goodbye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.
Oh gosh. No.
Go comment on the comment section below.
Bloopers.